Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Cook it yourself.
Today is Republic Day special. I have made Tricolour Momos. Republic Day is a great time to focus on the tricolour and a great way to make it with the food. Try out these amazing Tricolour Momos. This recipe made with a dough filled with veggies, or the filling can be made using seafood, chicken or the fruits. So let's begin. Here are the ingredients. It's all-purpose flour, carrot juice to make orange dough, and the spinach juice to make a green dough. And these are the filling ingredients. I have taken cabbage, carrot, onion, capsicum, salt and the magic masala sachets. In a bowl, add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and the pinch of salt. Instead of using artificial color, I have used vegetables to get natural color and keep it healthy. Make a hard dough and set aside for 20 minutes. Till then, let's make the stuffing. In a pan, add some butter and oil. With all the veggies. Saute for a minute and add the magic masala. Mix well and it's ready. The dough has rested, so let's prepare the momo wraps. Make equal portion of each dough. Roll it and make small size like chapati. Arrange it in this way. Cut it from the middle. And place it on the other like so. As you can see the beautiful tricolors clearly. Wrap it and keep it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes to get chill. After 30 minutes, slice it and roll into thin sheets. make sure your dough has chilled. With the help of any round vessel, cut it into a round wrapper and make a momo. You can make it in any shape. Till then, we have also kept water for steam. Spread some oil on the plate and place the momos and steam them for 15 minutes. So it's ready. Let's serve hot with some Szechuan sauce or dipping of your choice. I hope you like my recipe. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Do share your valuable feedback and share it with your family and friends. Press the bell icon to get the notification of my new recipe. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have linked my IDs in the description box below.
I hope आप सबको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.